Welcome to History Earth. Today we will be going through the Earth in 24 hours. At 4 a.m. we have the first simple single-celled organisms. At 1 petameter a simple cell engulfs another, creating the first symbiotic relationship and the first eukaryotic cells or cells with internal organs. At 6:30 p.m. cells began to form colonies and thus began the first multicellular life. At 8:30 p.m., sea plants begin to appear. 20 minutes later animal life explodes. Jellyfish, the first true vertebrates, trilobites and other creatures appear. Incredible diversification begins to take place. At 9:57 p.m. plants begin to appear on land, followed by land animals. At 10:24 p.m. Earth is covered in carboniferous forest trees and the first winged insects appear. Many reptiles dominate the planet during this time period. But a mass extinction let dinosaurs rule the Earth. 11:41 p.m., they too suddenly vanish and thus begins the age of mammals. With only 1 minute and 17 seconds left before midnight, humans emerge. All recorded human events happen within a few seconds, with a person's life lasting barely an instant. We have finally gone through 3.8 billion years of life in 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And leave a little comment down there, telling me what you think about the video.